Hey guys, this is Glen Murray. This is my review of Super Affiliate Hacks. This is a great product by my personal mentor, George Wickens. He actually helped me build my funnels, so I, I think I pretty much know exactly what he's offering here, and I highly recommend it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through my bonuses. We're going to show you. I'm going to show you the sales page. There's a video by George there. I think it's really important to watch, and then we'll show you the back office. It's very cool. This is something you're going to want to get. There's going to be no, like, this is a lifetime access. So every time he upgrades it, you're going to get all the upgrades in it. If you don't make money with it, he's going to give you money back. He'll give you $100 on top of that. My bonus to you is I'm going to sit with you on a Skype call, Zoom call, whatever you want, and I'm going to go through it with you and set up your system so that I know that you are there for success. That way, when you're going through the back office, if you have any questions, I'm going to be looking over your shoulder. We'll do it together. We'll do it, like I said, on a Skype call, Zoom call, whatever you want. Like I said, this guy is my mentor, so I really highly recommend listening to him, picking up Super Affiliate Hacks, especially through my link, because I'm going to be there with you, basically just like George. And if there's something, guys, I can actually message George directly and just go, hey, I have a question about this, and we'll get those answers immediately. So let's jump over to the sales page here. And now I'm just going to play the video and let George tell you about the system, and then I will we'll go into the back office. All right, guys, just make sure that this is on. And okay, here we go.
This is a real $100 right out of my wallet. Here's the deal. I'm about to reveal a brand new super affiliate hack that funded $200,000 in commissions into my account in a single month. And it's one of a handful of the super affiliate hacks I'm going to show you. If you sincerely put my super affiliate hacks to use and don't see more commissions, bigger commissions, faster commissions than any repackaged affiliate system or magic software you bought from anyone lately, not only will I give you money back, I actually give you $100 right out of my back pocket. What do I mean by repackaged affiliate systems? What kind of magic softwares? You know exactly what I'm talking about. It's the same stuff, but repackaged with a new name month after month. If you ask me, it's a shameless cash grab, but I don't have time to get into that right now because I have so much to tell you about my $200,000 per month super affiliate hack. You actually laugh when you see how I did it because it's the exact opposite of what's in those silly repackaged systems. Magic software doesn't hold a candle to it either. Let me tell you something. For me, this one little hack was the missing link between 5 and 6 figures per month in commissions. That's no joke. So click the order button below and access it right away at the special introductory price before the price goes up. Because maybe this one underground affiliate hack is the missing link in your affiliate business too. Here's the thing. It doesn't require massive traffic. It doesn't take a huge list to pull it off. It takes only a fraction of the traffic and you would actually think. In fact, it doesn't have anything to do with that. It has nothing to do with magic software either. And believe it or not, a rank rookie can use it to launch themselves to a super affiliate status almost immediately. As crazy as it sounds, it doesn't take any new special skills. It's not technical. It doesn't take like exhausting learning curves. It's nothing like that, okay? And actually, here's a hint, and it's the only one I'm giving. Your biggest problem is you've been taught to circle what I call commission carcasses, like a flock of buzzards. All the commissions have already been picked clean. By the time you learn the so-called new system, you're fighting over tiny bits of meat on the bone. My super affiliate hacks is like standing 5 feet from a 12-point buck slowly drinking from a stream while you're carrying an AK-47. It's an easy kill and the commissions are aplenty. So go ahead and order now. I know you've heard it all and seen it. You've heard all the hype. You've seen all the regurgitated systems and magic software come and go. You're about to find this is nothing like that. Get access to the members area and check it out right now. If you haven't ordered yet and you're still watching this video, you probably have a question. Why would I share the hack that has made me $200,000 in commissions in a month? There's actually 3 reasons for this. One, it's not the kind of secret that hurts me to share with you. It's not like I have to keep it close to my vest. And 2, more money. What's better than $200,000? $300,000. So I'm selling the hack itself to make even more money. Free. I want to prove to you and to the world I'm the go-to guy when it comes to learn how to make the fattest commissions possible online. I'm looking to take the throne and become the king of huge commissions. Plus, when you order now, I'm actually tossing in 6 limited time bonuses. Bonus 1, you get my business in a box that will launch you into a whole new world of commissions in less than 10 minutes. I created it to help struggling affiliates shortcut their way to super affiliate status. It's called my Super Funnel Hero System, and it's already proven by over 25,000 customers who've actually paid for it, and you get it completely free. Why am I giving you this bonus for free when you order Super Affiliate Hacks right now? Because you'll be able to use the Super Affiliate Hacks, show you in the main product along with the Super Funnel Hero System. It's going to be like spitting an atom. So be prepared for a massive commission explosion. Have you ever paid for traffic only to watch your money go up in smoke? In bonus 2, I'm going to show you a free traffic loophole I've only given to my high-end coaching clients. My coaching clients have shelled out 5,000, 10,000 and more to learn what you're going to discover for free when you order Super Affiliate Hacks right now. Okay, so how do you access these bonuses? You may be wondering. After you order, you go to members area. Inside the members area, you look for a bonus that says Super Affiliate Secrets, okay? Click it and be prepared for your jaw to practically become unhinged. You'll slap yourself in the forehead and wonder, why didn't I think of that? Don't feel bad. Only a small handful of people know about it, and you're about to be one of them. Next, we have bonus 3. You get my Easy Profit Rolodex. Inside, I reveal the best paying products to promote as an affiliate. I'm talking about high ticket commissions. Look, if you want to play with the big boys, you have to have access to the big ticket commissions affiliate programs. The problem is, even if you find them, no one wants to let you promote them. I'll show you how to get backdoor access into some of the most exclusive big ticket programs that no one has ever told you about. Now, for the 4th bonus, first of all, there is no catch. Yes, you get all these bonuses for free when you stop everything you're doing and buy Super Affiliate Hacks right now. Yes, there is no additional costs. Yes, others have paid good money for these products that you're getting completely free today. Back to the bonuses you're getting. Bonus number 4, okay? I'm going to save you $97 per month. You get free lifetime access to my all-in-one page builder. It's called Super Funnel Pages, and people buy it every single day. Every day I get notification of payment received emails for Super Funnel Pages. They had to pay for it, but you get it for free when you order Super Affiliate Hacks right now. Go ahead and cancel your $97 per month subscription to your current page builder because I've just saved you $1,164 per year. Bonus number 5. Now get this. For bonus number 5, I'm tossing in a free coaching session. On this live coaching session, I'm going to reveal how I generate commissions on total autopilot. You'll also find out how I generate millions of paid visitors without costing me a dime. Paid visitors for free? That's hard to wrap your head around, I get it. You have to be on the live coaching session to find out exactly what I'm talking about. It's a secret method that we all know how people in the IMN space like to steal. So that's what I'm going to say right now. Here's the 6th and final bonus you are getting. You get lifetime updates to Super Affiliate Hacks. Most products sellers charge more money, when they release like a 2.0 or 3.0 update. You don't have to worry about that. With Super Affiliate Hacks, because you get lifetime access and all the updates with no extra cost. Now, here's the thing to remember about these 6 bonuses. I reserve the right to yank them at any time, okay? Why am I buying all these amazing limited time bonuses? I want to put together a crazy offer by the likes of no one has ever seen. And like I said, I want to take my royal place on the throne as king of huge commissions. I want to be as the known go-to guy who has helped most affiliates all over the world to have the biggest commission paydays anyone has ever seen. Here's why. Because when you get into the members area and you start making massive commissions for the first time in your life, potentially, you're going to become my customer for life. This means you buy from me now and over, and in the future, which only actually benefits us both. So stop everything you're doing right now and head into the members area now, okay? You're going to be blown away with how simple it is and how fast your life can actually change. Everything in your life can change literally overnight with systems like these. You're going to be pleasantly surprised when you refresh your affiliate account and see a whole pile of cold hard commissions. Secret to 6 figures per month in commissions has been right under your nose the whole time. Remember, I'm putting $100 on the line here. When you try out my Super Affiliate Hacks, it must choke slam the daylights of any other affiliate system or software you bought. This $100 is yours. Order now before the price increases.
All right, guys. Can you hear me there? Let me go back to make sure I'm on eCam. There I am. All right. So let's go. So that is George. That's his thing. Basically, you're going to grab this for, I'm not even sure the price. I think it's like 13 bucks or something, guys. It's ridiculous, ridiculous. All right, so let's go back over here. Let's see if I can bring up my let's see, FaceTime, Lodge time. Let's see if I come up. Hey, I came up there. Okay, cool. So I'm going to pop over to the training here. So this is the back office, guys. Super affiliate training. It says start here. Basically, you watch this video. This is his video talking about.
Hey, George Wickens here, and this is the first video, as you can actually see on the screen right now. It says you want to watch this video before getting started, and this is actually a tour of everything inside Super Full Breakdown. This video is
basically, guys. I'm going to pause that. He's just giving you a tour of the back office. I can give you the same tour. Basically, you're going to go through here. Here's where you know those free bonuses. They're right here. Super funnel pages. You have access to that. If you don't know what super funnel pages are, they create these in just seconds, guys. And this is what I will be helping you do. We'll create these, and they're just done for you. You don't have to think about anything. They basically, they're just done for you. If you don't want to use an autoresponder, you can have a built-in form. The contacts go right into here, all that kind of stuff. But I can help you set up your autoresponder and hook it up to this if you want to do that, because you want to be collecting the leads. So basically, that is the super affiliate super affiliate hacks module. it's with Super Funnel Hero and Super Affiliate Hacks. It's most things. Basically, he's got the master class, and that's the whole thing there. So let me go back to Ecamm here. Let's jump back on. So go over default, copy of default. Where am I? Default scene. There we go. All right. No, we don't need this on here, do we? Let's see. Get rid of this. All right. So that is Super Affiliate Hacks. I just wanted to show you that video by George, and I know you can go see it on the homepage. So why do I like Super Affiliate Hacks? Because it's not another shiny object. It's not some magic software that he's talking about. And so many people get stuck in buying these things. And I get emails from my list all the time. Well, how do I make it work? How do I make it work? I'm like, guys, all you're buying in those shiny objects, and I'm probably going to lose money from selling some of these products, but who cares? Basically, they're just traffic methods. They're different ways to get traffic to your affiliate link. They don't magically make the money, right? They don't. These magic softwares don't make the money. You have to get an affiliate link. You have to hook the affiliate link up to that system, and then you have to go use the system. Now, the people that have built the system have been using the system, and like he says, they're already profiting using how that system works, right? So instead of thinking about these magic software, become a super affiliate. Become like me. What George taught me. I barely buy those things anymore unless I'm looking for what they're doing in the funnel, or I see a special hack that I'm like, oh, I want to learn how they do that, right? And I don't go refund it. I buy it. I get the knowledge. And I go, oh, that's a really interesting way of doing that. And maybe I can implement that into my business for my organic traffic. But generally, guys, I build a list and I send links to my list for them to buy. That's what an affiliate does. You build a list and you send traffic to the list. So why buy Super Affiliate Hacks? Because George Wickens is the man. If you know of probably the top 5, I would say the top 5 affiliates on Warrior Plus, every one of them has worked with George. Isn't that interesting? And George doesn't just make his money from Warrior Plus. So while he does hit the leaderboards from time to time, he's making money outside with big ticket items and running tons of different affiliate stuff. I'm on his list, so I know what he's selling. So does he sell some Warrior Plus stuff? Yeah, but he's selling high ticket stuff, and that's where you want to go. That's where you want to go. You'll see the high ticket stuff that I sell. You probably won't notice it if you're on my list. You'll be like, well, what's high ticket? How do I know? You'll know when you get to the back end of that funnel what you're being offered, and that's where the high ticket is, and that's where those commissions come in. So go grab the link below. Make sure you grab this software. If it's on the 28th, because I'm going to put this video up a day early. If it's on the 28th, come back to my channel, bookmark it or whatever, and make sure you get it from me, or copy the copy the link below and put it in on September 29th, because that's when you'll want to get it, so that you get me helping you set up your whole system. And we'll go through it. Like I said, Skype, Zoom, however you want to do it, we'll go through it step by step together, so that I want you to be successful. I don't want you to stop buying those shiny objects. I want you to start making money as a super affiliate. So this has been my review and walkthrough of super affiliate hacks. Maybe some of you might go, well, you didn't really show me the back office that much, Glenn. Because I really can't, because this is the product. So basically, it's training that is going to, like, it's not fluff training. This is the real training. Like, it's all over the shoulder training, and this is the kind of training you want. It's not just a talking head telling you how to do stuff. It's showing you exactly how to do things over his shoulder, and that's the best kind of training you want. So again, this has been Super Affiliate Hacks. My name is Glen Murray. Go pick it up below, and I'll see you inside. We'll do it together. Cheers.